I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stake on Coinbase. Staking allows you to earn rewards on your crypto holdings by participating in network operations. It's a fantastic way to support the blockchain and potentially receive passive income. We'll cover the basics and guide you through the entire process, making it easy to understand and implement. Before you begin, it's important to know which cryptocurrencies are eligible for staking on Coinbase. Not all assets can be staked, and some may have minimum balance requirements, for example, a minimum of 0.005 ETH. Always check the specific asset's details on Coinbase to ensure you meet all necessary criteria and understand the terms. Staking on Coinbase is straightforward. First, log into your account and navigate to the Earn or Staking section. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to stake, like Ethereum. You'll then see the estimated annual percentage yield, which might be around 3–5%. Review the details, agree to the terms, and confirm your staking choice. Once staked, your rewards will typically be paid out regularly, often daily or weekly, directly into your Coinbase account. Keep in mind that unstaking periods can vary significantly depending on the asset. For example, unstaking Ethereum might involve a waiting period of several days or even weeks. Always understand these potential lockup times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.